Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download the SublimeText and how to run it any programming language. So SublimeText is very famous, very popular and very easy and comfortable for the programmer. So by the programmer they just say that it is very easy and very comfortable. So I'm gonna show you today how to download it and how to run any programming on it. So let's begin. First go to any browser. I'm going to Opera and just search SublimeText and go to this link. I will put this link in the description. You can check it. And for the any operating system, you can just click it. If your operating system is Linux, you can click in Linux, and anything you can download the version. So I'm gonna download the Windows 64-bit, and it will start downloading. You can see here, you can just select it, because I already downloaded. So select it, and you can see here, you can see the file like this. You can just click it and just install it. So I already installed it, so I prefer you to go to SublimeText and just go to SublimeText and see. You can see like this, and just you can see the like this page. So for the file, you can go open file, and you can see the new file, and just do any programming. For the first time, you can see like in the right corner, you can see the plain text. So you should select the any programming language. For HTML, you can do HTML, you can click it, and Java, you can if you want to do Java, then click Java. If you want to do JavaScript, you can do JavaScript. So just scroll down, and you can see the many programming languages down. You can see it. So in this video, I'm going to show you this much. So for the next video, I'm going to show you how to build up the SublimeText and how to run it. Okay, thank you for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you don't know how to build up the SublimeText, just you can check my another video. So thank you.